Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here from the Digital Coin Crew with another quick how-to video. Okay, in this one I'm going to show you how to create a new group if you want to create working groups, or if you just want to have a group to chat around with friends, or create some alerts or something for your users or whatever. I'm going to show you how to do it today, so let's dive in. As always, I'm going to log in through Facebook so that I have the same rights as what you do. Alright, so for groups you can't do anything in the status bar. There's no quick compared to events. For example, there's no quick way of creating groups, so you need to go to groups here on the left hand side. Currently there aren't any, so let's be the first ones to create one. I'm going to create a group for the Digital Coin Crew. Don't forget to join the group if that is what you would like. I'm going to put this into just general for the time being. So these are the different categories that you can have. I'm going to split them up a bit more, but those are the ones that you can have for the time being. So group name, official group for the Digital Coin. Digital Coin Crew. Group official. Quick description. So this is the official group for crew. I obviously have an issue with official. Anyway, so some of the options. So notification types. You can either set it for email notifications, internal, or both. Internal is the notifications that people get up here. Currently I haven't got any, but that is where those notifications show up. Email are the email notifications, so that's up to you. I just leave them on both because users have the ability to select what kind of alerts they receive, either as system or internal alerts or email alerts, so they have the options to change that if they please. So in your for you, I just or anyone, I just leave it as both. Group type. The public group anyone can join without any moderation or anything, and these groups will show up in the search results. A public group with moderation is an open group. People can see it in the search result, but users need to be approved by the admins or the group admins before being able to post or do anything. Private group is where people need to request to join the group. They can't see anything until they join and admins approve them. These will also show up in the search result. And invite only are hidden groups that you need to invite people to. You need to add them to the group for them to be able to see the group in anywhere on the website. You need to be a member of that website, of that group. Sorry. In this case, I'm going to leave it publicly open. It doesn't. People still need to be registered. This doesn't mean that non-registered users can sign up. This is for registered users only. Our website, https://123.digitalcoincrew.com. What features do I want to allow? People can upload photo albums, yes. Enable videos, yes. Audio files, yes. Announcements, yes. Feeds, yes. Feeds are RSS feeds, so if you want to have an aggregator within your group, you can allow that. Enable events, yes. You can have group-related events. They will show up if it's a public group. It will show up in the mains event area. Otherwise, Otherwise, if it's a private group, they won't show up at all in the events area. Unless you're a part of that group, then they'll show up in that events area. Enable files so that people can upload files. Yes, PDFs, Word documents, whatever you may want. If you have a weekly mail that goes out with some PDFs or something or other. Allow people to create polls and discussions. Again, are miniature forums. Here we can customize it, so let's go ahead and add a group avatar. Final icon. And if these are bigger, you can drag them around. Let's add a cover. I could have put the group, but anyway. And submit. There's no moderation for groups. I've just received an email saying a new group was created, but I don't need to moderate it. Okay, so some of the features that you, now that our group has been created, some of the features that you can do, we've talked about them previously in the setup, but here's the status bar, this is the timeline. Hey gang, how's it going? This is a simple status bar and it will show up on the timeline, or the stream, or however you want to call this. You can add photos, videos, audio, events, files, links, polls, and tasks. So if you want to create a milestone, for example, if you want people to do things, if you have this is more towards working groups. You can add the responsibility of the person. It needs to be done by, title of the task, and then add that. Up here you also have some more information. The about is the official about group. Members are who's the members of the group. Albums are the different photo albums that have been created. Videos are the videos that you've linked up to into the group. Audio you can add your different playlists, or just link to the create a playlist. So I work with the World Health Organization, so I've got a load of automatic things that show up related to that. We grind music or hustle music or whatever. Submit. That allows you to create the playlist, which will show up here, and then you can add new audio to that. You can select the genre pod. For the time being, I've only added podcasts, so I'm going to add music. And you can give me some ideas of genres that you want me to insert. Uploading, you can upload videos, but try and keep them as small as possible, because I don't want to bog down the server. At the moment, there's a lot of external websites that you can link to. Title, description, the artist name, the album. You can get the auto art from the link. If you've got some friends, if this is related to some friends, and add some tags. What else? Let's go back to the group. Events, you can add multiple events to here. So for example, if you want to create some meetups, or you've got some general crypto events related to your group or something or other, that's up to you. Let's meet up in Geneva. Meetup. Let's do this on the 27th. Let's say on the 27th, and let's have it end on the 27th, but at 2 AM. go crazy. It's an all-day event. We don't want it to repeat. Oh, maybe we can have a weekly. Let's have it on a weekly timer. Maybe we can have a, let's say every Friday night we can go and have some drinks. Event description. Quick meet up to connect with fellow crew members. Website. Digital Coin Crew. Allow the maybe stays, not going attendees. You can limit, so if you've got a certain amount of seats, you can limit it to 50, and then all the basic features again. You can add the location, customize it as you wish, and that should be pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, that's about it really. Oh, discussions, announcements. The important things that you want to add for people. So I need to move this down, this is too far up. You can allow comments if you want. Change to the policies or whatever. Save, that will go out as an announcement to all members. You can like it, comment it on it. You can do what else? Feeds. These are the RSS feeds. So if you have your own RSS feed that you allow people to have that is publicly accessible, then this is where you add it in the new feed. Just add a title, add your RSS feed here, create feed, and that will then create an aggregator for you. Discussions is a miniature forum kind of thing within the group, so that you can have long discussions with people. You can add tasks. I've already talked about that, so that's good. And then yes, that's about it for the groups. Hopefully you'll have some fun with this and create some cool groups. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys can, what you guys are going to be talking about and sharing information on. And yeah, so I guess I'm going to end it here. I'm going to move on to the next video. Not sure what the next one's going to be. I think it's going to be videos. No, pages. Pages will be the next video, showing you how to create an official page for your company, exchange, your exchange, or the service you might provide. So I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, guys. Bye.